Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will talk about Megha Shukla. In these gently composed shots, Megha radiant and understated tenderness, draped in a delicate gravy innerwear set, she reclined gracefully on a chair, her curvy tresses framing her face with relaxed charm. The muted petals and simple caption, one thread at a time, evolve a sense of introspection and serenity. As if she's sharing a quiet moment of vulnerability with the viewers, Megha effortlessly transition into a nostalgia yet modern looks with a fitted polka dot dress. The retro pattern bring while her minimal accessories, light sandals and unobtrusive makeups. Draw attention to her natural features, loose wavy hairs add a carefree touch, and the soft golden hues backdrops enhance her overall aesthetic, merging fashion with the natural. Megha remains a hostel space as a personal runway, draped in a red and yellow sari. Every corner, even outer beds, become a stage for a comfort charm. She seamlessly blends traditional with glam, her expressive smile, and poised posture running every frame into a sense of relaxed yet powerful elegance. In a drawing new editorial style photoshoot, Megha embraces unapologetic sensuality, posed in bedscapes, cozy cabins, and reflective window light settings. She communicative strength and vulnerability. Each frame has a lounging and designer engages on casual mid-grays, caption a commanding femininity. From sultry beginnings to green lake moments that highlight her bold allure, Megha continues to challenge convection with her evening ready looks. In one standout post, she appears in a red and white outfits with a confident pose and the caption, "High herself acclaim." The shot feels both intimate and striking, resonating with her purpose-driving style. Taking the heat up of notch, Megha dons a captivating red bikini in her latest beach shoot. The vibrant hue pops against natural tones, while her sleek styling and flawless makeup elevate the image's allure. Combination of sultry poses and elegance, fans even struck. Layering into bold ethnic fashion, Megha stands in a red sari, draped with modern flair, paired with an embroidered crop top. The outfit fuses traditional and sensuality, particularly in short take-on and lately short setting. Her grace and confident projects a powerful persona, sensuality yet sophisticated, reflecting a playful yet assured energy. Megha wears a floral printed, vibrant padded and fashion-forward. The lively printed combined with her post composure, radiating bold femininity and unfiltered confidence. Setting a tone of styling celebration of self-expression. In earring Instagram frame, Megha embodies effortlessly elegance in a green coat set, light top paired with a flowing floral skirts, subtle accessories and mute makeups. Let the look great, reinforcing and refreshing natural beauty. Her soft wavy hair, posed posture, and warm ambience add to her organic appeal to these visuals. Stepping into the most recent commanding visual, Megha unites several facets of her style, glamour, confidence, even slightly mischievous, whether through lingering style shorts, draped ethnic wear, or sunlight natural frame. She continuously presents herself with bold elegance and apologetic authenticity. Her ability to blur boundaries between tradition and modernity, softness and boldness underscore her growing influence as both actress and fashion muse. Each appeal of Megha Shukla photoshoot, from ethereal softness and natural infused retro charm to luxurious hotel chic bold swimwear and confident sensuality. Offers a layering tapestry of the evolving image, she handles every aesthetic with a mix of confidence, grace, authenticity that amplify presence both on screen and on the glam. So guys, here's the summary of Megha Shukla, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe selectively for more videos like this.